Okay, welcome to a new video, and basically topic for today's video is an extension tube for camera. I have just once tried this, but I think that this will make quite good video because there are, let's say, few things, or there is very narrow or limited use case for this thing, and just for somebody who is considering to getting extension tube. And of course this is just about this. I don't know how the Nikon variant or any other or if the findings or how characteristics of this, I don't know, does it apply to other extension tubes, but at least might, and something that should be, let's say, considering. So let's get to the topic. Actually, let me try to know that I can keep this in frame or in. So let's open this. And I was surprised that this is in a, let's say, box and everything, but of course that's not, maybe not so important, but still nice to have. Okay, so it is 2 times teleconverter. So the first thing, or maybe I will show the, let's say, most important problem or limitation first. So okay, so this is an this lens meant for this crop camera, so not full frame, so 50mm macro, which I have used plenty. And let me show the first problem. So I try to avoid let's say too much dust. So this is the, so not the side that goes to the camera, but the side where you should attach your lens. And the first problem is very soon very obvious. So let me try to focus lower so I can actually maybe show better. So this has this, let's say, big groove, and this is almost flat. So as you could imagine, no way these will fit together. So any lens meant for crop, or this, let's say, which is not full frame, this will not fit. Okay, first finding, or the, let's say, most important problem, which of course I hadn't even thought about. I was thinking that I could fit this with my exactly that lens I just showed, but I have some, let's say, lens which will fit, but then we will see the next problem. Okay, this is missing Okay. Well, maybe doesn't matter. Just let's say missing lens cover. I don't know how I missed it, but let's not let it bother this exercise. So basically this how this attaches, like basically any lens. Okay, that was the easy part. I need to get okay. So the second problem after let's say that it doesn't work with all lenses is to how to mount this lens to this extension tube. So basically, let me try to get this into frame. Okay, now you can see that basically this is different. So basically just attach these together. But the thing is, it's very difficult to know is it really in place or not. Let me put it down and try to do it there. So even to try to get it away or then try to put it there, it's very that is it really on play. And then you really need to turn it quite a lot and quite, let's say, put quite a lot of pressure, and now it is in place. And actually the autofocus should work. I need to put this to the, was it like this? Yes, now it is focusing. But basically that was the short version of it. But I think that, I don't know, can let me show, let's say, the third problem. So, I don't know, can you see it? So would you really use this outside? Basically the water sealing is 0%, so I don't know what kind of tape should put over this, but basically I think that this is only for indoor use. But of course, for example, I have the 180mm macro, and with this it would be what, 360mm, but again, if it can be only used inside, what is the point? But that are the, let's say, about the, let's say, and one thing I noticed as well is that it is not focusing, let's say, completely, so 70mm, but it goes only until, let's say, 40, so it doesn't go till the end, so that's maybe the fourth problem. But so I can't say much for the, let's say, the quality of it or the quality of the images it is producing, but I think that's still probably okay, but has a lot of other problems. But well, again, wasn't expensive, so maybe can think of some use case for it. So that was all for this video, so thank you for watching and let's see what next time. Bye.